Hello. My name is Emily Leggett. I'm the teen librarian at the Tewksbury Public Library. Today I'm going to teach you how to make ice cream in 5 minutes. Okay, so here are the things you're going to need. You're going to need to have whole milk, cream, sugar, vanilla extract if you want vanilla flavored, rock salt, and some cubed ice. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab a bowl, pour half a cup of milk, half a cup of cream, 1/4 cup of sugar, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And you're going to mix these all together. If you picked up supplies from the library, yours are already measured out except for your milk and your cream and your vanilla extract. So you can put all of that together and then come back here. I do want to point out that while you're mixing, you want to make sure there's no sugar on the bottom. So like really move your mixing spoon around to make sure there's none of that texture. You want it to be smooth. Okay, so next you're going to want a Ziploc baggie. You can use the one you took your sugar out of or get a clean one. This is around the size you're going to want. You want to make sure it doesn't have to be Ziploc brand. You just want it to be sturdy. Because what you're going to do, and you might want parental help, is grab your bowl and pour what's in your bowl into your Ziploc baggie. I'll show you what that looks like in 1 second. Okay, so once it's done, it's going to look like this. If you're worried that the bag won't hold, you can put it in another Ziploc baggie just in case, okay? Okay, so your next step is how you're doing this without an ice cream maker. So you're going to take your big Ziploc baggie, which if you got your stuff from the library is what all of your ingredients are in. Looks like this. Mine has ice cream on it. You're going to put your rock salt in it with ice. Usually, like, I would say half of a tray of ice if you have one like this. So you're going to put that and your rock salt in the bottom of your bag. After that, you're going to put your bag of the mixture we just made inside of that. I'll show you what it looks like in 1 second. Okay, so combined together, it's going to look like this. This is our ice cubes and our rock salt and our mixture in there. So the next thing you're going to do is grab a towel just because it's going to be really cold, and you're going to wrap this up. So usually what I do, I just took a little washcloth, wrap this up in it, and then you are going to shake this for a minimum 5 minutes. It's a really long time, so take breaks if you need to. You're just going to shake it. Okay? In 5 minutes, check the consistency of your ice cream. If you want it more like a soft serve, it might be like that, then you're okay to stop. If you want it more consistent and like a harder ice cream, you may have to shake for longer. When we tested this here at the library, it took about probably 7 minutes. You can also, if you want it to harden and it's not really, leave it in the freezer for a little bit. Once it comes out of the freezer, it should be more like ice cream. You can take it out of the bag and eat it. So make sure you shake this. And when you're done, voila, you have ice cream. Once you're done, you can add things that you'd like in it. I added chocolate chip into mine. Once you are ready with that, you are good to enjoy. You can do this with other flavors. You can add things like brownie bites in it or caramel on top after. However you'd like to do it, it is yours to create. Some helpful tips when you are doing this is when you're doing those 5 minutes, maybe put on some music, dance around a little bit so it goes by a little faster, and always do a test run when you shake this bag so you are sure it will not explode on you and get everywhere. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email or let us know. Once again, I'm Emily from the Tewksbury Library. Thank you for participating. If you are in our summer challenge, the code word that you need today for Beanstack is sprinkles. Enjoy your ice cream.